MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm going to take you through this brand new 2026 Sea Ray SLX 260 outboard. Just arrived, looking real sweet here on the dock. It's got the 300 horse V8 Mercury Bowrider outboard on the back. Got a lounger seat here on the stern and a little storage compartment under here. Little knickknacks you can put under there. Next storage compartment over here. Nice deep long storage in there, and that is where you put your water, your toys, your skis, your kayaks, and there's also your power batteries for the engine and also for the house battery control in there. Expansive hardtop on canvas top with hard tubing on there on the SLX family. It is a power tower. It will stay horizontal as it lowers and raises. Nice little walkthrough here with a remote stereo control, a USB A and C charging, a little privacy door here to keep the pets and small children in the boat when you're running. There's your switches for the power tower, electric up and down. Nice cooler storage under here, which is really kind of cool. They got the door here so you can slide your cooler in. And then to get to the top of the cooler, you just sort of lift the seat right up here. And there's your cooler. And in and out, just find a cooler of the right size and you are set to go there. Tremendous amount of seating here across the cockpit of this SLX 260. Great seating, nice handhold, great stereo system, lots of cup holders as you can see. Down here is your main engine area if this were a stern drive, but instead you have those 300 ponies on the back there, so you have this huge storage area down here. Battery charger, batteries, bilge pump, power steering, everything is all right down there. Easy access, great for maintenance. Real nice to take care of everything that way. There's your shore power plug-in. It's a regular 3-prong extension cord, and that 15 amps just straight off your dock, regular household, and that will keep your batteries charged with the onboard battery charger. Co-pilot seat here, nice bucket seat, flip down bolster. That seat does rotate around as well as running forward and aft. To port, nice little glove box here, and then a vacuum flush head, really nice over here. The SLX family, they don't mess around, and nice sink over there with the water system on board, and vacuum flush head in there. Real nice for out long days on the water when nature calls. Just forward to that cooler storage area, there's your captain's seat at the helm. Your binnacle has Mercury active trim on there. Got your Lenco trim tabs. You control your windlass here, or you control the windlass up on the bow. It's electric windlass. Your Fusion, Bluetooth, Sirius XM ready stereo. Dual SIMRAD displays, just superior amount of screen real estate here to display a lot of information when you're running the boat. Nice leather wrapping here on the SLX family. You'll just see the trim throughout. Got some nicely stainless steel trim curved windshield around here as well. Below me, we got giant ski locker down here as well. So you have that on the port quarter storage, and then a huge amount of storage down here. So no lack of storage on here. Up forward, another storage area. Great seating up here. Got some flip down armrests. Keep your guests happy, comfy. Take a look over here, I'll show you. This lift up seat here has a giant storage compartment in there. As you can see, really good storage for lots of gear in addition to everything else we've seen out here so far. Your windlass up here, of course you got the bow washdown up here, and there's the stern washdown back aft. But here's your business end of the anchor right here with your remote. And that it does have a chain counter on there, so it'll tell you how much you put out as well, which is super nice on your 5 to 7 to 1 ratio when properly anchoring. So this is a 2026 Sea Ray SLX 260 Outboard 300 horse Mercury Verada. Here at MarineMax Maryland, my name is John. Come on in, ask for John. I'd be happy to help you out. Look forward to seeing y'all.